Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys very unique and very special meat pockets. This is very delicious. The meat is super flavorful. The bread is super soft and very soft that it will just melt in your mouth. The meat is really delicious. Before I go ahead and start the recipe, if you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I have 2 videos every week. Let's get started with this recipe. Here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use whole wheat flour if you prefer. That's totally fine as well. Here I have 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, and here I have half a teaspoon salt. You don't want to add salt and yeast together because it will deactivate the yeast, so put them aside and then mix them together. Now in the center I made just a little well. To this I'm going to add wet ingredients. Here I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use regular oil as well. Go ahead and add that. And here I have half a cup of warm water. You just want to make sure it's between 110 to 115. Anything more than that will kill the yeast. Anything less than that will not activate the yeast. Now go ahead and mix them and bring the dough together until it's nice and soft. Knead them for at least 10-15 minutes. Now go ahead and put a little bit oil on top and then set it aside at least 3 hours or more if required, depending on the temperature. If it's not very hot, then it might take longer. Here I have 2 medium onions, 2 large tomato, and chili as needed as per your taste, and 1 large clove of garlic. Now we are going to go ahead and blend them in a food processor. With this I'm going to add half a cup of cilantro as well. Now when we are blending them, we want to make sure we not blend them too smooth of a paste. We want nice chunky kind of a paste. As you can see, it's nice and chunk. We have all this vegetable chunks in here. Now once you finish that, put this transfer in a strainer and remove all the excess water from it. This is very important. We don't want any kind of moist in it. So take out all the moist and then you can transfer this mixture into a separate bowl. Here I'm transferring this into a different bowl without any moist in it. Now as you can see, it's nice and it doesn't have any kind of moist in it. To this I'm adding 1 pound of ground lamb. You can add chicken or beef. Salt as needed, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, more or less up depending on your taste level, 1 teaspoon chili powder or paprika, 2 tablespoon tomato paste. Now go ahead and give them all good mix together until it's all well incorporated. So now once that is all well incorporated, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of a yogurt, thick curd. This is a hung curd. Now go ahead and add 1 teaspoon olive oil. Now just give it a nice mix and then set it aside at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator to marinate. Now meanwhile we will check the dough. The dough is doubled in size at this point. I'm going to remove this from the bowl and I'm going to knead this another 10 to 15 minutes until the dough is soft. Once the dough is soft, you go ahead and divide them into equal parts, and now we will go ahead and roll the dough into nice thin layer. Now you want to make it nice and big layer of a roll it nice and big layer, so that way when we do the filling it's easy to cover the sides. Now the meat is out. I'm going to add at least 3 to 4 tablespoons of a meat, and you want to just spread it out nice and thin layer and then give it a nice shape in center. Now we are going to cover all the sides. Bring all 4 sides together like the way I'm showing here and cover the last edge on top of the second last layer. Now just press it down so that it's nicely covered. Now I'm going to add this into preheated pan and add a little butter. Now we are going to cook this on a medium-low heat because we want the meat to cook through and not just the bread, because the meat is raw. So keep that in mind and cook them on a medium-low heat slowly, and you also can cover it in between. And once you see nice and brown on the outside layer and the meat is cooked through, you can remove it. It would take around 5 to 6 minutes for the meat to cook through and the bread to cook through. As you can see, the meat is perfectly cooked and the bread is super soft, and this is super delicious meat pockets. You will definitely love this because this is not regular filling. This is like really flavorful filling and not too much of things going on here. Very few ingredients, very simple ingredients, but yet it is very delicious recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box below. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys and stay safe. Bye.